Welcome to the page, make you come take a ride. Lifestyle sweet like beauty where they shine. She be self-taught and you where do they.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Molina. Today I'm going to be installing this beautiful teapot wig.
Page, make you come take a ride.
This is all what it came in with.
Sweet like beauty where they shine. She be self.
This is a color 427, brown blonde, and it's a tpart human hair wig, transparent HD lace. I did straighten out the hair already out of the box.
She the slay every time. Beauty and grace with a touch so divine. From makeup brush to the final glow, she dey light up the place like oh, oh, oh. Now Molina natural, every shade she touch turn to gold. Lifestyle sweet and the vibe too clean. She's a queen of the glam scene. Eyebrows laid and the lashes long. She dey show us say we fit be strong. Colors bright like rainbow glow. Watch her blend and see it flow. Wig review, she got you locked. Every tip legit, she know the bluff. Real and raw with the heart so kind. Follow her page, make you know dog. I am Molina, she the slay every time. Beauty and grace with a touch so divine. From makeup brush to the final glow, she dey light up the place like whoa, whoa, whoa. Now Molina natural, every shade she touch, she turn to gold. Lifestyle sweet and a vibe too clean. She's the queen of the glam scene. So if you like your glam and glow, follow Naya, she dey steal the show. Colorful vibes and makeup dreams, she dey inspire like queen where they reign supreme. Natural face, so glam on fleek. Wigs review, make you take a peek. Promo steady, she dey run the show. Confidence high and the love they grow. I'm Molina, she the slay every time. Beauty and grace with a touch so divine. From makeup brush to the final glow, she dey light up the place like oh, 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 oh. Now Molina natural, every shade she touch turn to gold. Lifestyle sweet and the vibe too clean. She's a queen of the glam scene. Eyebrows laid and the lashes long. She dey show us say we fit be strong. Colors bright like rainbow glow. Watch her blend and see it flow. Wig review, she got you locked. Every tip legit, she know the bluff. Real and raw with the heart so kind. Follow her page, make you know dog. I am Molina, she the slay every time. Beauty and grace with a touch so divine. From makeup brush to the final glow, she dey light up the place like whoa, whoa, whoa. Now Molina natural, every shade she touch, she turn to gold. Lifestyle sweet and a vibe too clean. She's the queen of the glam scene.
Hey you guys, I am done with this beautiful hair install This hair came out really nice and cute. I did a little bit of bangs. Look at that on a teapot. The teapot lace wig. I love the bangs, and then I only glued at this side. So this side will lift. You can see it's lifting a little bit. I'll wait for just the baby hairs to dry up and get in shape before I can pull this, because this can go as a glueless. See, it can go as a glueless wig. This hair is a 26-inch in length, and then the color, like I said earlier, is 4. This is brown and 27 in color. I love this shade. It's an ombre teapot human hair wig. I definitely recommend this hair, and I bought it from AliExpress. It is still soft. I haven't washed it yet. I normally don't even wash I don't usually wash my wigs at all. I don't usually wash my wigs whenever I bring it out from the bags. Even the synthetics one. I feel like a lot of my wigs, they always smell good or don't come in a nasty smell or something. So I don't think I've ever washed any of my wigs from the bag. But this hair is sleeky, really nice. It didn't take that much heat. It is soft. The shading is minimum. I was really surprised though. The shading is minimum, and I've had this wig for 2 years. I bought it since 2022, I think. Yeah, 2022, not 2021. This is now I'm putting it on like seriously. Okay, you all, this is it for today. I hope you love this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Facebook page and my YouTube channel so you can see more videos, more hair reviews, nails, or whenever I post any. But for now, I'll catch you on my next video. Take care. Bye.
From makeup brush to the final glow, she dey light up the place like whoa.